And here is really situation that in my this car, what is very good BMW car, this side mirrors, there is some rusties in that area, and that's it is difficult to see in back area. And I have now purchased new side mirror, and you can really purchase these new mirrors from the nearest BMW sales, new car sales center and store. BMW, it comes from Germany, and they have best in world this spare part service. You can purchase new parts and they are made in Germany. And also you can purchase like used these parts, and I really made in that way. And I really purchased this my mirror from Amazon.com or then in eBay.com, and this is like used. This is from old car, but this is still workable, and this is really well engineering part, and this is new one, and the mirror is better, as we can see it is clean, but new part is always new. And let's go to look at how we open that, because this is interesting thing, and this is made by German engineering. And first step is that we have to open this car door, and we have to look in this side area in here. And we have to look in this side area in here, and now we need some screwdriver, or if you have this special tool that I have to bend this corner when I install that in this and little bit bend, this cover opens. This can be tight, and there are small holes in here that when I carefully move that, this is well made in German engineering, because this car is made for now it opens. This can be tight, and then I pull out this little bit, and after that I have to take this lower part also, that part, and little bit compression so that we can see these bolts and these cables in here. And now we are in really fine position. Okay, and next we have really important thing, that there is small connector, and when I press these sides, there are two pins. Now it opens. This is trick, and now cable is free, and then we have 3 bolts. This is also trick. 1, 2, 3, and we need special tool for these bolts opening. Okay, and we really need now special tool. What is this Torx type tool, and this size is T27, and there is one of these bolts what I have taken another side away, and these parts fits in this way, and this is this trick, and bolt is in here, and then I need this my spanner. Okay, and now I use my electric driver. There is socket, opening direction in this way. First bolt, second, and now I am carefully that I don't drop this in this hole in here, and final bolt is in here like hidden. And Now I have to be carefully. I have magnet head. This magnet, and use this device if you drop items. Okay, and now all of these 3 bolts are free, Torx head bolts, and next we take this mirror away. Okay, and now when bolts are free, we can carefully take this mirror away, and note that these areas can be tight, but this my one opens really nicely. Excellent. And then I install new mirror back in these holes, and this is this job easy like hamburger eating in White House. Please enjoy, and let's look at how I install this new mirror back. Here is this my new mirror, what is used, and now I notice that in here is foam, and here is also foam, and that's I have to take this older foam maybe away, but now I take this foam away in here, because this is so nice sound insulation, and we can see that one foam is enough. And look, there is some aluminium corrosion, but it is good that we have aluminium parts in our BMW car, only small corrosion. And now I install these things in back. I press that in here, it goes very well. And then I need to install bolts in that another area, and let's go to do that. And now it is good to install at least one bolt in here. I take my hand in here and one bolt in this up area. Otherwise this mirror can drop to ground, and then we have big troubles and we have to purchase new mirror. And new mirrors cost about $300 and used are about 40 if you can purchase used mirrors. Okay, and now we check that this mirror is in position, and then we install this connector. It goes only one way, and listen to this click. Okay, now all cables are free, and then I finally install all 3 bolts and this cover back, and then this job is easy. As I said, this is easy like Coke drinking in White House. Okay, and then we have difficult job to install this bolt in here. This is difficult, and that's we need this magnet head tool that I managed to install that in here. And then I rotate that, and there is risk that this screw drops to these holes, but no worry, we can disassemble all of these parts, because sometimes my screws drops in here, but next time I am more wiser. Now we can rotate this, and that one, and I check that this is fine. Then I tighten this. And this is not in right. Good. Now these screws are fine. Good. And after that, when these are ready, I have to remember that this cover comes in here. in that way. It is important, this side. And then I need a little bit force. I have to hit that in this way. And these install this side in here. And this area must be in that way. Because these are really important gaskets. Now I believe that these are fine. Press this hard that this clicks. Okay, now I notice that this is fine, but in this up area. Press this up area also. In that way. And check these lines in here. This is important. Now I have to work a little bit because there is hole. Okay, look that. I work a little bit. Okay, and then important thing. Note that this upper cover, it goes in just in that way. Check this area in here. Because when I press that, this has to be go nicely. And in here we can see that when I install this upper cover, this is really tight. Now I am checking that how it goes back, because there is not, yes, this goes like in up. Yes, this is accurate job. Now I need screwdriver. Okay, and really I have in here flathead screwdriver, and I have to install this upper, this cover in here, that I can compress that in down. Yes, this was much difficult than like Toyota Corolla's part. No, but now it's fine. Yes, excellent. Good job. Okay, and really, this was really important that we check that this line goes just in that way. This was difficult part to install. Look that in your case you have just in this way. And then check that all of these things are nicely. In here I think that I have to press this area. This is not well in here, that cover. I have to install it just in like new car. I work a little bit. This area, it is not in good in here, that area. And it has to be go really nice. Now I think that check this. Now it looks good. But this was really accurate job. But now I believe that everything is okay. Now we can see that this my new side mirror is fine, and note that there is no anymore this rusty in this outer area. Excellent. And then I check that this have to be so tight, because this car is made for very high speed, like 260 kilometers hour speeds. Now it's excellent. And check also these areas that everything is okay and this is tight. Excellent. Okay, and now this job is ready and you can do that also.